Hi, welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today I'll show you how to customize apps on Android in a simple and clean way using one easy app. We'll change app icons, rename apps, and give your phone a fresh look. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is where you download trusted apps, and it comes pre-installed on almost every Android device, making it the safest place to start. Step 2, tap on the search bar, type X icon changer and install the app. This tool is used to change app icons and names without needing any advanced settings or root access. Step 3, once the app is installed, open X icon changer. This is the main dashboard where you'll see a list of apps already installed on your phone. Step 4, select the app you want to customize. This lets you choose exactly which app icon or name you want to change instead of applying changes to everything. Step 5, now choose a new icon. You can pick from built-in icons, icon packs, or even an image from your gallery, which helps you match your home screen theme perfectly. Step 6, if you want to rename the app, tap the pencil-like icon. This is optional but useful if you want a cleaner or more aesthetic app name. Step 7, tap OK or confirm to apply the changes. This step saves your customization and prepares the new icon shortcut for your home screen. Step 8, tap Add when prompted. This creates a new shortcut with your customized icon and name directly on your home screen. Step 9, go to your home screen and use the newly created custom app icon. Your app will now look fully customized and blend smoothly with your setup. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more awesome Android customization tips.